Ladies and gentlemen, hello and welcome back. Today I'm gonna take you on a journey through a beautiful landscape. It's just a small road, only 5 kilometers. I made a few meters into this beautiful landscape. It's in the middle of spring, it's a very pleasant day. Unfortunately, it's a little bit late, but I will make it. Yeah, my name is Wheez-E, welcome to my world. Let's go and follow me. Yeah, and here we are into a beautiful springtime landscape. Everything's about in bloom. It's very colorful. Oh, you have to smell it. It's very lovely. And I like to enjoy this trip, to take you on this trip. Yeah, I hope you stay tuned and let's see what we will see here. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, now I enter through this road into a forest. I unfortunately had a little mistake by taking the wrong road, so this journey will take a little more time, but I'm not worried about this. It's a very beautiful journey, it's a very beautiful day, it's Sunday and with beautiful weather. It's not too hot, it's not too cold, it's cloudy. Yeah, and I enjoy this little trip here. Oh yes, I absolutely love this beautiful green. Oh, here also there's a tree fell down. It's quite interesting. Sometimes you can discover some things in its roots, but here are only small stones, but I think this one is a special one. Yeah, and over there. And sometimes you can find some garbage or things like this from the past. Yeah, it's sometimes really interesting what you can find underneath a fallen tree. Yeah, let's move on. The last meters. Yeah. And then I have to come back to my car and go home and prepare for my daily duties, for my work. Oh man. Okay, here is the... I can check out the directions here. Oh, okay. We're on the right way. I have to take the 33. Yes. And then continue, move on into this beautiful green. Oh man. Oh, it feels so good. It's very good for my mood and my mind. Oh, over there's a little pond. I think we will have an exploration here. Oh, really nice. I wonder what kind of animals will be living inside this little pond here. Over there I think there was a frog or something. Oh, some ducks. Oh, sorry for disturb you. Was not my intention. Really nice. Okay, soon I want to try out something. I've got a protection sheet for this camera, and this protection sheet is a protection case. Sorry, this protection case is waterproof, and I think we can do some Yeah, I can do some material from underneath the water. Yeah, yes, this water surface, of course. All right, let's move on.